speaker was cutting in and out.
Yes.
It's because Doreen's playing the music from out there on her phone,
Yeah.
which her phone has a little tiny speaker in it.
Yeah.
And if she wants to listen to something close to her, that speaker works okay. But if we were all trying to listen to it, that speaker wouldn't be big enough. And so her phone connects to the speaker there, which magnifies or enlarges the sound that was in Doreen's phone. But what happens is, if Doreen wanders too far away with her phone,
Yeah.
then the connection gets severed
Yeah.
and the sound diminishes down to nothing. And
Wow.
it's the same thing that happens. There's a sound in each one of us,
Yes.
and there's the sound of there's the sound of revival and reformation right now
Jesus.
in the planet, in the world. It's something that I certainly can't describe or quantify, but there's this sound of what God is doing. It's the sound of God moving.
Yes.
It's the sound that for some people it's a dog whistle. It's they have these, like, dogs have a different sense of hearing, and they hear like sounds that we can't hear.
Right.
Well, that's the way the sound is. The sound that is going around the planet right now, the sound of God, this reformation is taking place, it's coming from the kingdom of heaven, but it also is in each one of us. There's this sound that resonates with that sound. It kind of mingles together, and that sound, when you stay connected to the power of God, then your sound gets magnified. It gets enlarged. It becomes more powerful,
Yes.
and others can hear it. Same way, if Doreen was listening to the music on her phone, she could hear it, and if you were standing right next to her, you could hear it, but the rest of us couldn't.
Connected.
But because if she's connected to that, then that sound gets enlarged. Now that's what's happening right now, is that we have to stay connected to the Spirit of God to magnify the sound.
Yeah.
Now, the other part of that is that Doreen's phone doesn't actually make the music either. She downloaded that or got it from another source.
Right.
And the sound that is in you, you don't produce it. You don't create it. You're not the creator of it. You're the carrier of it. Just like Doreen's phone doesn't have the capability of making music on its own. Now she can get music on her phone from another source, but she has to connect to another source and download it into her phone and then play that sound through the thing. And it's a picture of what is going on with us right now. So we are the carrier.
Yeah.
We didn't create it. We got it from God.
Yes.
And he plays it through us, but if we're not connected into him, then our sound is going to stay small.
That's really good.
And see, a lot of churches you go to, they're like they never miss a beat. Nothing like this ever happens. Their music plays. They got musicians. Everything goes perfectly. We don't have that here. We have technical difficulties, and our IT staff, we don't even have an IT staff. But there's a there's a moment of where Holy Spirit comes into a place, and begins to move and begins to teach us. And it's like everything comes alive and everything becomes spiritual. Even the glitches turn into
Yeah.
like something. So Holy Spirit, we're thankful today for your
Yes.